how to add link to TikTok bio with 1000 followers. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu. Then tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Account. After that, from the options, you need to go to Switch to Business Account. On this section, keep tapping on Next until you reach the Choose a Category page. Here, select the category that best describes your account, for example, Art and Crafts. Then, tap on Next at the bottom. Then, you can add your email here to connect with your customers directly. You can also skip this step. Then, you can add a bio if you want or skip again. So once you're done, close this page and go to your profile. Then tap on Edit Profile as shown. Then, go over to Links. Here, select the page you want to link to TikTok, for example, a website. Now, type in the URL of your website. I'm typing in something random as an example. And once you're done putting in your URL, tap on Save on the top right corner. You have now successfully linked this website to your TikTok. Now go back to your profile. Here, you can see that the website link has been added under the bio section. Following these steps, you can easily add link to TikTok bio with 1000 followers.